this video, I'm going to show you how you can put this kind of text inside the person or behind the person inside Canva. So first of all, create a video project. To create a video project, you just need to go to your Canva and then click on this video, and then you can choose video landscape or quote it any you want. Then after coming to this page, go to elements and then choose the video that you want. So I'm going to use this video and I'll make it full screen like this. Now I'm going to duplicate this video and again put it the same size of the last that one. Now what I'll do, I'll just click on select this top video and click on background remover, and it will remove the background. Now we'll add a text here. Now select the text, change the color, make it as the size you want. Now go to position. From here, go to layers, and as you can see, this is the two layers that we have. I'm going to put the text underneath the first layer of this person. As you can see, this is our video, but as you can see, this is not really looking good. But this is because the rendering is not complete. So if I just click here, you will see how it's look now. So this will take some time to download this properly. So I'm going to click on share and then click on download. Now the video is downloaded completed. Now I'm opening this video and you can see this is perfectly behind the person, and in this way you can add text behind the person inside Canva. So I hope this video helped to make this kind of videos. So thank you for watching and I will see you guys in the next video.